Okay, so now last and final concluding episode. Now this episode is gonna be about. We actually tried to cover it up everything, but now we'll try to sum it up whatever we just talked. So this episode is gonna be about the future of IVF and the other option of IVF, and about MEM, of course. So let's just talk about. My first question is, what is the future of this technology, IVF?
See, future IVF is the subject of research. If you see when the first case of IVF was successful in 1977, or you should say the first IVF baby born in 1978, उस समय क्या था और आज IVF कहाँ पर है? Absolute difference, absolute at every step of IVF. उस समय कोई injections नहीं थे, ovulation induction drugs नहीं थी, आज सब drugs हैं. We can retrieve the eggs now vaginally without any stitch. उस समय हम लेप्रोटमी पेट ओपन करके मतलब एब्डोमेन ओपन करके हम एग रिट्रीव करते थे. फर्स्ट टाइम जब IVF हुआ कोई स्पेशल कल्चर मीडियाज़ नहीं होते थे. आज हमारे पास स्पेशलाइज्ड कल्चर मीडिया है. तब ह्यूमन ब्लड के अंदर उसके सीरम में एम्ब्रियोज को ग्रो किया गया था. अभी और उसमें रात दिन का अंतर है. आने वाले नेक्स्ट टाइम में आप क्या देखेंगे और अभी क्या देख रहे हैं? अभी लाइक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस यू कैन सी हर फील्ड में है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. इट इज़ ऑल्सो देयर इन IVF की आपके मतलब देयर विल बी अ सॉफ्टवेयर हु विल स्कैन द एम्ब्रियोज. दैट सॉफ्टवेयर कैन सिलेक्ट द एम्ब्रियोज जो कि बेस्ट जिनका आगे सर्वाइवल है. तो एम्ब्रियो सिलेक्शन आपका बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है. देयर विल बी द रोबोटिक इक्सी. रोबोटिक इक्सी मीन्स अभी हम मैनुअल इक्सी करते हैं, मैनुअल इंसेमिनेशन करते हैं. तो दैट विल बी रोबोटिक इक्सी. जैसे रोबोटिक सर्जरीज हो रही हैं इसी तरीके से इसमें भी रोबोटिक इक्सी हो सकती है. देन द थर्ड पार्ट विच वी कैन सी इज कि आप अभी हम वी कैन मैक्सिमम कल्चर द एम्ब्रियोज टिल डे 5 और डे 6. उसके बाद वी हैव टू आइदर ट्रांसफर और इम्प्लांट द एम्ब्रियोज इनसाइड द यूट्रस या फिर हमको उनको फ्रीज करना पड़ता है. अदरवाइज दे विल बी डेड इनसाइड द कल्चर डिश. डे 7 पर हम नहीं लेके जा सकते एम्ब्रियोज को. देयर विल बी टाइम व्हेन यू कैन सी योर बेबी till 9 months growing into the lab and we can give you the baby in your hands directly without any 9 months of pregnancy.
Oh my God.
There will be a day when you can have your live baby from your IVF center.
In how many, like in 9 months or?
In animal studies, I think we have progressed at a quite good stage. Let's see what about human embryos.
Oh my God.
Yes,
So this is
this
kind
will
of,
be I can't say.
It sounds fictional
Yeah,
actually.
but it will be there.
Okay, so I would request you to please talk a bit about you to people.
Yeah, I belong to Delhi, born and brought up in Delhi, then came to Ahmedabad in 2004 for my education. My whole education is from Ahmedabad. I studied MBBS from BJ Medical College, then Gynec from PG. Then I worked in different states like Mumbai, Delhi. I took my laparoscopy fellowship in 2016, and that time I did one IUI and my patient got pregnant. I'm not saying all IUIs are like come out to be positive, but my first IUI when I did in 2016 in my private practice I should say. So when that patient came to me and there was no limit, you can see the happiness on her face. It was like abundance of happiness in the family also. Same time when you remove a uterus of the patient, see we can do so many work like delivering the patient, doing the cesarean section, removing the uterus, removing the fibroids, but the happiness which you bring in the family by giving this result, by giving a pregnant positive test is totally different. It changed the life of not only the couple but the whole family, or you should say the whole generation. So that day I decided now I want to go into IVF practice.
That's beautiful,
Yes.
ma'am. Okay, and please talk about Neve IVF Center also.
Yeah. Neve IVF Center we started in 2022, or I should say December 2021.
Okay.
And till now we have almost completed more than 500 cases
That's
in
great.
last 2 years. That's absolutely beautiful journey. We were not knowing ki where we will go ahead. It was a little bold decision I should say at that time, but God supported us too much.
Okay, so you were working with some other?
No, it's my own center.
No, of course it is your own center, but before 2022.
Yeah, I worked in various, I did in the jobs and other centers, but on the rental basis also. But when there was a COVID season, because of many non-COVID patients shifted to our hospital, and because of that the hygienic or the sterility with the IVF center should maintain, it was not maintaining that much. So I had some issues with management, then I decided now I will get out and start my own center.
So finally, a message of hope for people who are considering IVF. Please, would you like to share?
See, I can say ki courage of one mother, or you can say the trust she showed upon her doctor or the science, it changed the odds of many infertile couples struggling with infertility. The first mother, I think Leslie Brown in 1977, that time she and her husband were struggling for this infertility since last 9 years. Then they approached their doctor or who suggested them so and so. Then that time there were no drugs to induce the eggs or egg forming injections or anything like that. So they tracked her natural cycle. They retrieved the eggs via laparotomy. एक egg निकाला उनका, and that too, when she succeeded, it was her 20th cycle. She was not succeeded in first cycle of IVF or second. It was 20th cycle. So you can imagine in today's generation कि any lady would allow you to perform 20th cycle on herself. No, that was the tolerance at that time when there was no other case in the world. She was the first who allowed her doctor to work on her. That courage of that lady, we should salute her, I should say. And after that egg, the embryologist cultured in the human blood serum, you should say, the yellow part of the blood, that he cultured the embryo, placed the embryo inside her, and the baby Louis Brown was born in 1978. And that Louis Brown is having now 2 beautiful boys, and that too conceived naturally. So that means that IVF process was absolutely safe for her mother, and the Louis Brown is also a healthy child who conceived naturally. So it's an absolute safe process. And now now IVF has undergone already so much research and development कि अभी और लास्ट के टाइम के IVF की कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं कर सकते. लाइक अभी आप किसी के पास नोकिया का फ़ोन देखते हैं, वो स्मॉल वाले जो नहीं हैं, अभी स्मार्टफोन तो कर रहे हैं यूज़, तो फ़ायदा भी हुआ है. तो इट इज़ द सेम थिंग, जो चीज़ डेवलप हुई है वो उसका है बेनिफिट है. पहले के टाइम में अगर बच्चा नहीं होता था, देयर वाज ओनली अ सिंगल ऑप्शन, यू हैव टू गो फॉर एडॉप्शन. बट नाउ विद दिस टेक्नोलॉजी, दिस 21st ईयर जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, आप इनको यूज़ करके यू कैन हैव योर ओन जेनेटिक हेल्दी चाइल्ड. तो वाई शुड नॉट गो फॉर इट?
Okay, and it is safe and
absolutely safe. You can even plan your second pregnancy from the remaining embryos of your first cycle. Then I don't know what could be the reason patient are not going for IVF if indicated in their case.
So वो फिल्मों जैसा नहीं होता,
वो गुड टाइम्स जैसा नहीं होता, गुड न्यूज़ जैसा नहीं होता. Yes, absolutely wrong presentation. Wrong message in the public.
It was genre of comedy.
Yes, but not. It is somewhere attached to the very much sensitive issue. Yeah, of the society.
Okay. So this was just an beautiful and insightful conversation we just witnessed. You just witnessed, and I had, because I am lucky. So I hope you liked this podcast, and thank you so much, ma'am. I actually told you earlier that we are completely honored to have you, and I really got a beautiful knowledge about IVF, so thank you so much.